Welcome. Once your PowerFlex drive is on Ethernet IP and visible in rslinx, you are ready to add your drive to a project. This video will guide you through the steps of 1. Adding a PowerFlex drive in Studio 5000, 2. Completing a match drive, 3. Downloading a project to a processor, and 4. Ensure the drive is communicating with the processor correctly. We will be adding a PowerFlex 750 drive here, but the same process can be applied to any of the Allen Bradley PowerFlex drives. This video assumes you already have the latest drive AOPs installed. Add-on profiles, or AOPs for short, are used in Studio 5000 to interact and configure with any PowerFlex drive. The latest drive AOPs can be found on the Product Compatibility and Download Center. First, we'll start by opening a Studio 5000 project. This project already has a processor and an Ethernet IP module added in the backplane. Once the project opens, it should look similar to this. Navigate to the left of the project to the controller organizer. Right-click on the Ethernet icon below the Ethernet IP module and select New Module. The Select Module Type window has many products that are possible to add over Ethernet IP. We are going to type in PowerFlex 755 to filter the results and narrow down our search. You can see now that we have many PowerFlex 755 options based on horsepower and communication mediums. We are going to select PowerFlex 755 EENet. See the slide for the appropriate selection. For more information, see Tech Note number 584467. Then click Create. The module properties will appear and allow us to configure the device. Enter in a drive name. Typical naming scheme is machine and location. For simplicity, I will call it Pump 1. Next, enter the IP address. If you don't know the IP of the drive, contact your IT department to obtain an available IP. We'll pick an IP address of 192.168.1.100. If your default subnet is not 255.255.255.0, enter in your subnet here on the Port Configuration tab. Click the Change button to open up the module definition window. Select the Match Drive button to upload the drive configuration to the project. This can only be done while the project is in an offline mode. The next window will ask us to do a full upload. Leave the default boxes checked and click Full. Select your drive from the rslinx pop-up window. Click OK. If the matched drive was successful, a confirmation window will appear that says Match to Online Drive completed successfully. If the message states Unable to match online drive, you may have selected the wrong drive or profile. Click OK next. You will see that the module definition has changed now. Click OK on the module definition. A window will appear stating the configuration has changed from default. This is normal. This is all the configuration we need at this moment. Click OK on the Module Properties window. You will see that our drive now shows up in the controller organizer. It is best practice to save your project at this point. Now let's download the project to the PLC. Click on the Communication menu and then Download. Please read the warning on the Download window. When all is safe, click Download. The Logix Designer window will ask you if you want to put the PLC in remote run mode. Let's go ahead and do that by clicking Yes. You will see on the upper left-hand side of the project that the processor is in run mode and the I/O is OK. The drive in the controller organizer indicates no yellow triangles on it, meaning that there are no errors. If an error does follow, double-click on the drive and go to the Connection tab in the Module Properties window. This will have a description of the present error. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos on the Rockwell Automation channel.